Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to finish up some sentences. This page in your packet is just plain black and white, but I have pulled it up in the workbook on the colored page because it will make it a little bit easier for us to look at the pictures together. Alright, so you should have your page out. Up at the top, there's a spot for you to write your name. Make sure you start with an uppercase letter. Write your name on that line. Then today we're going to be looking at some pictures and deciding what word is missing from a sentence, and we're going to write the word in to finish the sentence. The words we're using today are called adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes something. And the adjectives that we are using today are going to be words to either describe the size or the shape of something. So we're going to look at each picture and each sentence and decide what word is missing. Is it a size word or a shape word? They're all going to be adjectives. All right, so here are our three choices. We might need the word round. Round, you start with an R at the beginning, round. Or another word that we could use is going to be the word long. Starts with an L at the beginning, long. And our last choice that we might need is the word small. You hear that S at the beginning of small. All right, so I'm going to read a sentence. We're going to look at the picture and decide, do we need to write the word round, long, or small? So number one, look at this dog. We're going to be describing the dog. Check him out. All right, this sentence says, my dog has ears. What kind of ears do you see on that dog? Are they round, long, or small? Yes, when you look at that dog, look how long his ears are. They come halfway down his legs. So he has very long ears. So on this line right here in the middle of our first sentence, my dog has, you're going to write the word long. L-O-N-G. Make sure your G hangs down under the line. If you need it, it's right up there in front of you. You can see it. L-O-N-G. And now our sentence says, my dog has long ears. All right, so you can mark out that word long up at the top if you want because we're finished with it. All right, number two, look at our picture. I see some kids, it looks like they're in the library and they're sitting on a rug reading books. All right, so here is our sentence. We sit on a rug. All right, we have round or small left. Look at the rug. What shape is it? It is round. So here is our word round. It starts with an R. You can tell it's kind of a long word. So when you start writing it, start right at the beginning of that line. R-O-U-N-D. Round. We sit on a round rug. R-O-U-N-D. Round. All right, when you're finished with the word round, you can go back up there and mark it out. All right, we have one word left. It is the word small. So we need to read number 3 and see if that word is going to work. All right, look at the picture. I see a mouse eating some cheese. The sentence says, the mouse eats cheese. All right, the word we have left is small. Is the mouse small? Yes. Mice are always small. All right, so you're going to write that word on the line. Lowercase s, m, a, l, l. Make sure your L's are tall letters. The small mouse eats cheese. S-M-A-L-L. All right, so now our sentences should say, my dog has long ears. We sit on a round rug. The small mouse eats cheese. All right, then for number 4, they want you to write a sentence using one of those words. So you can choose which word you want to use, round, long, or small. Just choose one of them and have a grown-up help you write your last sentence. They can write it for you and then you can copy it. They could dot it for you and then you could trace it. Or if you have a highlighter or yellow marker, they could write it and you could trace it. Or you can just write it and ask for help if you need help spelling a word. So you might write a sentence, the bug is small. You might write a sentence, my ball is round. Or what can we do for long? My pencil is long. Anything you choose. Choose one of those words. Write one sentence on this bottom line. Make sure you start with an uppercase letter. Leave a space between each word. And put a period at the end because you're writing me a telling sentence. All right, boys and girls, let me know if you need anything. Have a great day.